Are you wasting time wrestling with outdated sales tools? What if you could build a fully customized sales CRM, without coding, and launch it in minutes? Meet Tony Davis from Elite Retirement Alliance. His company needed a powerful, easy-to-use platform to help financial sales teams close deals faster. The solution: Softr, a no-code platform that transformed their process. Before Softr, Tony's team struggled with rigid, time-consuming software. Now, they create custom, white-label sales CRMs in record time, complete with secure logins, real-time updates, and seamless integrations with Salesforce and Microsoft Dynamics. Softr was the game changer we were looking for. We went from idea to fully functional sales platform in hours. Want to build your own custom sales CRM fast? Try Softr today and take your business to the next level. Link in the description. Achieving unprecedented time to market speed with a custom sales CRM solution. How Elite Retirement Alliance uses Softr to provide their clients with custom sales CRM platforms with granular access and edit permissions.